44.
They came from China, huh?
Yeah.
What about the bar down there?
Oh yeah.
Turn that one on.
Yeah.
These lights are from China. eBay. The blinking ones were 40?
47, 48, something like that.
That much? Just for two?
No, 4. You got another one, 2 back.
Wow.
Yeah.
I want to see.
Yeah, you have to because I wait for the city on the beach.
LED lights. Where are they at on the back? Oh, up top. Made in China.
Yeah.
They're China from eBay. They look good on there. The muffler's noisy. The muffler's not that quiet. Wow, dump in. Make it go back down. Wow. From China, huh?
Yeah.
Dirt legal?
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me about dirt legal.
It's legal. $700 you make it legal. For 1 year.
In the state of South Dakota.
Yes, sir.
And the insurance?
Geico, full cover. $500.
500? I
Yes.
thought you said 6.
No, $500 for a year.
And how much for the tag?
700 because you have to be legal. After that is $200 a year.
Wow. You can't ride on the interstate though, huh?
No,
How fast will it go?
75.
Really?
Yes,
So
sir.
you could go on the interstate.
No. It's too risky.
Huh?
It's too risky to be in business.
Well, I want to see. Wow.